Hi, welcome to the channel. Who are seeing the first time, requesting the people, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications and new mail. So today's video about how you can take any kind of image transferring into as a tracing design. So you can take it as a tracing design from the images. Okay, so for what you need to do for that, it's a very interesting and it's a very easy kind of things I'm going to show you. So let's start the video. Here I'm taking the measure blouse now, and what you can do, you just need to take this one design from the mobile and one measured blouse, and here I'm taking two tracing design papers. Okay, for uh, tracing papers will be available on the market right now, so take them. Okay, so now you can easily take any kind of image from the mobile directly and make your own design. Okay, so here what you need to do, select the design first and keep it ready, the two tracing papers. Okay, so now what you will do, now start taking the deep of the neck measurements and also the shoulders. Here my blouse deep was 8 inches. Mostly people will get the 8.5 inches. Okay, so otherwise if they have the more deep, then you need to increase the west part of the length, you need to increase, so that it will be easy for you to do any kind of designs, because if the width of the back getting less, then you can't able to be work. So here I am taking the exact 18 inches mark here, and also the shoulder. Most of the people will get two and a half of the shoulder. If they have the broad back, then obviously it will be 3 inches. Okay, now what you need to do, here take the measurements as it is, take the tracing paper and fold it to the center exactly, and take the measurements as I'm showing. At the top side shoulder part and the down side of the neck deep also I'm taking 8 inches, and then here also marking the 2 inches inside, and now adding all these marks. Now it came as a box. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the curve of this neck because it's a round neck design, so I'm taking the curved neck. So now once I have done with this one side marking, then I will do the other side of that same neck, because it's already a tracing paper, so easily you can mark the other side of this neck. So your neck is ready. Okay, so here I said two tracing papers, right? I'm doing only for one present, because once the design was taken from the mobile, then we will use the second one. Okay, so most of the embroidery designs will be coming on this marking only. So here what I'm doing, exact my marking was the square, right? So you can do the design till that square, not the inside of that circle. Inside of the square you cannot do any work, because it's going for that stitches, and your measurements will go off. So what you need to do, whatever the design is there, you need to do outside of that neck, or at least on the line, not the inside of that part. It should not go inside of that part. Okay, so now what you need to do, keep it ready the design. Okay, now keep the mobile downside of the neck exactly. Try to keep the design exactly to the center point, because the patch is coming on the center point. Some kind of designs will come on the corner side. So then what you need to do, you need to start from the corner if you get it. Otherwise, if you are getting this design on the center part of this, then you need to start from the center part, enlarge the design. Okay, once you enlarge, it's a generally touch screens, right? So be very careful while you are doing. So it's already tracing paper, so it's already visible, transparently it visible, so you can identify where the design is going. If it is going on the wrong side also, you can find out. Okay, so now start complete this design. Only marking or say a marking of outline, or if you want any in detailed details also, if you require, you can do it. I am doing from the center part. Okay, see here, it's how sometimes it will be moved. Then you slowly try to arrange the design on that particular inline of the neck. Okay, on the neck, on the line of that neck, you need to get the design. Okay, now starting with the patchwork and the other part also. At least if the design is same from the two sides are same, then you try to design for the first part at least one side of the design, then automatically you can transfer it into second part also. It's already all of this work is complete kunnans and some stone lines and jardosi kind of work. So easily you can do it, any kind of like the same thing, any kind of design. If you want to draw the peacock designs, if you want to draw the particular peacock, if you want to draw the mango shapes, if you want to draw the lotus, or any kind of single design, you can do it from the from like this. It's no need to go for printer, no need to take the buy the designs. It's not required. All the designs are available in market, so easily you can it's not like, you know, easily you can trace it and you can work out. Okay, there's no kind of copyright things, right? So everybody can do the same things, same designs with different colors of the blouses on. So here the same thing, the small patches are there in that in this design. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to arrange the neck as it is showing in the image, as it is drawing I'm doing. Okay, so almost 60 to 75 design will come out on this tracing first only. So see, arrange this, arrange the neck part, then start of the work. Like this I'm doing. It's so easy. So so that it's not like every time you should go to the printer, what I'm saying, right? So it's not like you should get the drawing and you should be an artist or like this. Only the thing, you should know how to trace the design. Okay, how to trace the design you should know. That's more enough. You can take from the direct system, but here the system you have to enlarge the image. But if you take it in the mobile, then you can easily enlarge the design, so that it will be easy for you. If you take the tracing design from the mobile, that will be easy for you. See here, see all the patches, the small part of the leaves and the small part of the patch will come till the end of the neck, right? So same, now I'm taking the second part of the tracing design, and now I'm making the same design, because I have already got the at least minimum idea of that design. So easily I can transfer it on my I'm just making a fair draft on this second part of this tracing design, tracing paper. So now my design will come easily. I can transfer it into fabric and I can start my work. Okay, so any kind of design, easily you can transfer like this. It's so easy, it's so easy. Anyone can do this. Whoever doesn't have any knowledge on drawings and all, they can also do it. Any kind of design you can easily transfer it and make it as a tracing design. It's not required that you should buy the tracing design books. Okay, so see here, almost I have done with the first part, and the second part I'll fold it into the center, and then I'll start the second part of the neck also I'll complete. So now the design is as it is, as showing in this image. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope you people have liked this video. Please do like and click on bell button for the future notifications on your mail once you subscribe my channel. And also requesting you, please do share these videos to get proper views on my videos. Thank you so much guys. We'll meet you with the next video with the next new unique idea.